Hello, in this tutorial I will teach you how to inject the ink. Here the first step is to unscrew and take away the side window. Remember to support it by your hands to prevent it falling out. Then we take down the pane. Now I will tell you the matters about ink injection. The blue label show it needs blue ink, and the corresponding ink pot lid marked CY. The black label means it needs black ink, and the corresponding lip of ink pot marked BK. The yellow label means it needs yellow ink, and the corresponding lip mark YL. The white label means it needs white ink, and the corresponding lip mark WT. The red label means magenta and do the corresponding lips. The ink tube having no labels is particular for varnish and the corresponding lip marked V. As I demonstrate, the ink will start from ink pot and come through the tube. Then it will flow to ink sac. And each tube has a label indicating which color they represent. Now we take out blue one to inject ink. And take care that orientation must be up to take bubbles out. And also notice that you can only hold it by sides. Do not hold it by frontage as I show, because it squeezed the ink sac, and let bubble cannot go out. Just hold it at side as I do. Here I insert the syringe to ink sac to extract the ink from ink pot. Pull out handle, and weight ink in. 5 milliliters is enough. Now we remove these waste ink into waste bottle. And we put the ink sac back and do not squeeze it. You will hear a snap. That means it has been inserted into the base. And we need to clean the syringe before the next extraction job. Then remember to extract it one by one and don't do it all at one time. Here I show you the print head below the ink sac. There's 2 print head, and also remember not to let flat cable connector touch any liquid, or it will burn. Then the waste ink will drop to ink pad. Now we open the power and platform will automatically reset to rightmost. Now the waste ink from print head can drop to ink pad, and drive by motor then converge to the bottle. And there's 2 bifurcate tube, designed to be extracted manually. The white label indicated extract white and varnish ink. And the red label indicated extract the colorful ink. Notice here is valve and they are in close state. Here we open the white valve, so we can extract the waste ink. Now we start extracting the white ink. And notice 10 milliliters extraction ink is enough. Then we pour out the waste ink into waste bottle. Now you could clean the syringe and open the red valve. Then start to extract the colorful waste ink. Also 10 milliliters extraction is okay. Then we pour out the waste ink. Remember to close the valve and check both an end, because the next cleaning process will meet problem if it's not closed. Now we need to insert these 2 tube into waste bottle. And place the bottle in rear position. You can take it out and next time you need manual extraction. Here's cleaning button and we press it to circulate waste ink. Now we need to move print head to middle again to clean the print head. And we descend the platiform so we can wipe out waste ink from print head. As you see, the cleaning process will cause some waste ink remain on print head. Remember to recover the platform back to original height after job done, and press the enter to let print head reset back. Now this tutorial is over. And thanks for your watching.